In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate immune-boosting grocery list that will help you strengthen your defenses and stay healthy year-round. Whether you're looking to fight off common colds or just want to feel your best, these powerhouse foods are packed with essential nutrients to keep your immune system strong. From vitamin C-packed citrus fruits to antioxidant-rich green tea, we've got you covered with a list of foods you should be adding to your cart today. Let's get started and give your body the support it deserves. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health tips and immune-boosting content. 1. Citrus fruits. The vitamin C powerhouses. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are critical in fighting off infections. By including these fruits in your diet, you'll be boosting your immunity and providing your body with a steady supply of this essential vitamin. Beyond their immune-boosting properties, citrus fruits are hydrating and full of fiber, which also helps with digestion. Whether you enjoy them fresh, juiced, or in a fruit salad, incorporating citrus fruits into your daily routine will help keep your immune system strong and ready to fight off illness. 2. Garlic. The natural antimicrobial garlic isn't just a flavorful addition to your dishes, it's also a powerhouse for immune support. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help boost the immune system and have been shown to fight off infections and lower blood pressure. Eating raw or cooked garlic regularly can help protect your body from harmful bacteria and viruses. Incorporating garlic into your meals is easy, whether you're adding it to sauces, soups, or roasted vegetables. Not only does it enhance the flavor of your food, but it also provides an immune-boosting punch that will help keep you feeling healthy and resilient. 3. Ginger. The anti-inflammatory hero. Ginger is another powerful food that should be on your immune-boosting grocery list. With its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. It's known to help with nausea and digestion, but it also plays a role in strengthening the body's defenses against infections. Ginger can be consumed in many forms, including fresh, dried, or as a tea. You can also add it to smoothies, stir-fries, or use it as a seasoning for soups. Its distinct flavor and health benefits make ginger a must-have for anyone looking to boost their immunity naturally. 4. Spinach. A nutrient-rich green leafy greens like spinach are loaded with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, folate, and iron, all of which contribute to a healthy immune system. The high levels of antioxidants found in spinach, such as flavonoids, are particularly beneficial for reducing oxidative stress and supporting overall immune health. These nutrients work together to help protect your cells and strengthen your body's ability to fight infections. You can enjoy spinach in salads, smoothies, or sautéed as a side dish. The versatility of spinach makes it easy to incorporate into your diet, and its rich nutrient profile helps ensure your immune system stays in top shape. 5. Yogurt. The probiotic powerhouse yogurt, especially the kind that contains live active cultures, is an excellent food for promoting gut health. A healthy gut plays a critical role in overall immune function, as most of the body's immune cells are found in the digestive system. The probiotics found in yogurt can help balance the gut microbiome, which supports the production of immune-boosting antibodies. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt to avoid added sugars that can harm your immune system. You can enjoy it with fresh fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey for a tasty, immune-boosting snack. Regularly incorporating yogurt into your diet will support both digestive and immune health. 6. Almonds. The vitamin E-rich snack. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that plays a key role in maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin E helps regulate immune responses and protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, almonds provide healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack that supports overall health. Snack on a handful of almonds between meals or add them to salads, smoothies, or baked goods. Their crunchy texture and nutrient profile make them a great addition to your immune-boosting grocery list. 7. Green tea. The antioxidant boost. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which are compounds that have been shown to support immune function by fighting off free radicals and viruses. Drinking green tea regularly can help strengthen your body's ability to ward off illness, and it's also known to improve metabolism and reduce inflammation. To reap the full benefits of green tea, drink it without added sugar. You can enjoy it hot or iced, and even add a splash of lemon or honey for extra flavor and health benefits. Green tea is a great way to hydrate while boosting your immune system. 8. Turmeric. The anti-inflammatory spice turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Curcumin has been shown to support the immune system by reducing inflammation and fighting off harmful pathogens. Including turmeric in your diet can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and support overall immune function. You can add turmeric to soups, curries, or smoothies, or simply mix it into warm milk or water for a soothing drink. Turmeric is not only delicious but also a fantastic way to enhance your immune system. 9. Mushrooms. The immune-boosting superfood mushrooms, particularly varieties like shiitake, maitake, and reishi, are excellent for supporting immune health. They contain beta-glucans, which are compounds that stimulate the immune system to fight off infections. Mushrooms also provide vitamins like B2, B3, and D, which are essential for maintaining a healthy immune response. You can enjoy mushrooms in a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to soups and salads. Whether fresh or dried, mushrooms are a delicious and nutritious way to strengthen your immune system. 10. Sweet potatoes. The vitamin A-rich root vegetable sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system by promoting the production and function of immune cells. Sweet potatoes are also rich in fiber and antioxidants, making them an ideal addition to a balanced diet. Roast them, mash them, or add them to soups and stews. Sweet potatoes are versatile, delicious, and an excellent source of immune-boosting nutrients. Now that you've got your immune-boosting grocery list, it's time to stock up on these powerful, nutrient-rich foods. By adding these items to your regular diet, you're helping to fortify your immune system and support overall health. From citrus fruits to sweet potatoes, these foods will keep you feeling your best and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Scroll down and check the link. You might discover something your routine has been missing. Like this video and subscribe for more health tips and immune-boosting content. Stay healthy and energized with these simple, nutritious choices.